Okay, today we are replacing the hydraulic thingamabobbers, whatever's on the hood. I guess the hood hoist or whatever. And yeah, I'm going to show you how to do this on a 2003 Ford Expedition. So all that you'll need is, well, depending if it's one or two new ones, just a flathead screwdriver. Let me try and find my flathead screwdriver, and I'll see you when I find my flathead screwdriver. Found my flathead screwdriver. So all that we're doing is you just gotta pop these things off. So that's what we're going to be doing. If I can do it. I'm going to be trying to do it with one hand since I'm holding the camera in the other. You just gotta pry it off. Get some leverage. I just got these off. Almost. Oh, it's like that. Also, make sure you got something holding it up. Ice. Okay, so it isn't really a pull, it's more of you just, it's not really you pushing off, it's more of a, you're trying to, I guess, make the ring larger. First time doing this, crap. Okay, now I'm scratching paint, now I'm getting mad. So I'm scratching up paint. And paint is expensive. Oh crap, that's more chippage. Against the other side, I don't want to really see it, but you want to be really careful anyways. Depending how much you care about the car. Ah, crap. Screw you. Okay, but you know what to do. I'll show you how to do it on the other side. I'll see you in a little bit when I finally get this little bit off. Okay, I got it. I just had to hold it with two hands and just went until I got to right here. Now let's see if I can just get it the rest of the way with the camera. No, I'm going to go back to two hands before I cause any more damage. Oh, and if you accidentally pop the ring completely off, that's completely fine. Because usually they come with a new one. And basically with that, you just pull it off because it's really just a ball joint. Not real ball joint, I call these. But it basically just pops on right here, right there. Now I'm just going to look how. Okay, yep, goes there. Then it pops down there, right? Right? No, I was doing it wrong. It goes this way. Here, then you just gotta. Right here, you just gotta pop it down. Crap. Just gotta pop it down so it's nice and secure. Then you just go here, then you just move this way. Okay, looks like you have to push it down a little bit. Oh, good. Did we get one number two? Ah. Okay, well, basically, you have to push down a little bit on there. The heck? Okay, well. Also, it's slightly adjustable. Okay, but give me a sec while I try and pop this back on. While I try to pop this one on here. It appears to be a little bit too long. And screws. Okay, well, I'll see you on a little bit because these are new, so they're full of energy or whatever. You want to force them down. Okay, guys, we got it all installed. Basically, what you had to do, since it wasn't lining up, you just had to lift it up some so you could pop these in. And now it's holding it up. And see, look, watch. Pretty good. And that's how you do that. And that's how you replace a compression rod on a 2nd gen Expedition or 2003 Expedition. Same thing, I just like calling it by its year. See you next time for when I have another problem with this. Bonus footage. It's been a while since I started it. It's been a whole week and plus it's cold, so let's do a cold start. Let's see if they'll start. This kind of worries me. Okay. It still works. Okay. Okay. Still works. Just gotta take it to exhaust shop to get a new catalytic converter. Because, well, the inside's kind of broken. And it's making a ticky-tacky noise. The noise that you're kind of hearing. So, yeah. Just my car. See you on the next video.